Welcome to your new 2026 Icon golf cart. Let's walk through the newly redesigned infotainment system together. So the first thing you'll notice is all of the different options we have here on the screen and on the left side. To connect your wireless device with Bluetooth, click Settings, then About, and displayed is the code to connect. Also in Settings, you will see the cart info, along with basic settings like language, unit, radio region, and more. To return to the main screen, you can always click the house icon on the left side of the screen. To use SmartLink, you must connect a USB cable to connect your phone to the cart. Once your phone is Bluetooth connected, you can listen to music and use the telephone services. Your volume up and down buttons are located to the left of the screen, where your volume level can be seen at the top left corner. The sun icon next to the Bluetooth icon is to control the brightness of your screen. The USB movie and USB music functions can be used by connecting your phone to the cart with a USB cable. This cart is also equipped with FM radio. On the right side of your screen, you'll see your cart functions that are similar to an automobile. The selected gear, speedometer, and the battery gauge can be seen here, as well as your odometer. New to Icon this year is the EcoXGear soundbar that comes equipped on each model. This golf cart also is equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Enjoy your new 2026 Icon golf cart and call us with any questions you may have.